To a major development in the Alex Murdaugh saga. The former South Carolina county clerk has been charged with misconduct related to her role in Murdaugh's double murder trial. Our Eva Pilgrim is here with more on this story. Good morning again, Eva.
Good morning again, Michael. She was a fixture in the courtroom through that lengthy 6-week double murder trial. Now that former clerk is facing multiple charges in 2 different counties, all tied to her behavior in this case.
This morning, a major new twist in the Alex Murdaugh case. The county clerk who read off that guilty verdict when Murdaugh was convicted of murdering his wife and son.
Guilty, guilty, guilty.
Now facing her own charges. Becky Hill accused of taking photos during the trial of sealed crime scene images and sharing them.
Do you understand the charges and penalty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hill, who was praised for her work on the case.
I call her Becky Booth, that's her nickname.
Went on to write a book and participate in a Netflix docuseries after the trial.
I had a feeling from our time together with the jury out at Moselle that it was not going to take our jury long to make the decision.
But beyond allegedly sharing sensitive evidence, she's also accused of lying to a judge about it, potential perjury, when questioned during a hearing for Murdaugh's appeal.
I do.
Murdaugh's team hopeful these new charges help their case.
I think bodes well for our appeal because the state believes that they can prove beyond a reasonable doubt she lied in the proceeding before Judge Toll. If she lied about that, the question would be, what else did she lie about?
His legal team saying they don't believe he got a fair trial.
Now, Alec, of course, has denied killing his wife and son. He's entitled to a fair trial, not one influenced by outside forces, but one in which evidence is presented and a jury bases their verdict on that evidence, not on something extraneous.
Murdaugh continuing to appeal his murder conviction and push for a new trial.
When it comes to seeing whether or not Becky Hill's allegations will affect Alex Murdaugh's case or new retrial or whatever it may be, it's not a matter of what level those charges are, but to what amount and what degree her actions might have affected Alex Murdaugh from not having a fair and impartial trial.
And to be clear here, no matter what happens with this appeal on the murder charges, Murdaugh will not be getting out of jail. He will remain behind bars for those financial crimes, which he already pleaded guilty to.
You've got to keep that in
yes.
mind. All right, Eva. As always, thank you.